Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y16, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. Now I'm just waiting for it to boot back up, so in a second it should. If not, I guess I'm gonna cut the video. There we go. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, and from here select power off. You can do that from the lock screen or home screen, doesn't really matter. Now once the device turns off, you want to hold power and the volume up at the same time. This will take us to fast boot mode, and in here, using volume keys, you want to select the second option, which is recovery mode. Press power key to confirm it. And we should be now in recovery mode, right about now. There we go. So now we are in recovery mode. Now from here we have fairly limited amount of options. We can install software, clear data, which includes cache and just data in general. And we can also check system, shutdown, or reboot the device. So to leave this mode, I'm gonna select restart, confirm it, and this will just bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.